Hello friends, in this video we intend to go through the steps of opening an account with AMP Futures Broker through the Tradingfinder website. We will enter the review related to Forex brokers and select the AMP Futures Broker. We click on the Go to Website option and the AMP Futures website page opens for us. In this section we click on the Sign Up option and complete the account opening details. You enter the email address and phone number that you have not previously used to open an account with this broker. And you click on this option that states you have accepted all the terms and conditions related to trading with this broker. And we enter the desired password, which includes numbers, lowercase letters, uppercase letters, and symbols, and must be at least 12 characters long. Then click on the Register option. Your account opening with AMP Futures Broker has been successfully completed and a confirmation email has been sent to your registered email address. We open the email and click on this link. Your email address has been successfully accepted by the broker and we click on this section. We enter the chosen username and password and click on the login option. At this point, a code will be sent to the entered phone number. Enter the code and click on the login option. Your account opening with AMP Futures Broker has been successfully completed, and your phone number and email address have been accepted and verified by the broker. In future videos, we will go step by step on how to verify identity and how to upload documents. Wishing you success and profitability.